So hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chickstima and you're welcome to today's video.
If you found the one, you should never give her up.
So let's jump right into today's video. In today's video, I'll be talking about 6 editing software or apps that you can start using as a beginner and you won't really have much issues working with these apps. Now the first app on my list is the iMovie. I think this is a very common app for iPhone users, and the only issue I have with this app is just that you have to have an iPhone, a MacBook, or an iPad to be able to use this particular software or particular app. So iMovie is one of the easiest editing softwares out there, and is a free editing software. You don't have to pay anything. It has transitions, it helps you literally create a movie. When I started editing YouTube videos initially, iMovie was the first app that I used, and it was really easy for me to use. It was really simple for me to use. I could figure out things without having to ransack my brain and all that. And the good thing is that even if you get stuck or you're confused, there are thousands of videos on YouTube teaching you how to use iMovie. If you're trying to use it on your phone, if you're trying to use it on your MacBook or your iPad, whichever one, there are thousands of videos, or I will not say thousands, but hundreds of videos that will help you navigate your way through the iMovie app. And the only issue I have with this app is that it consumes a lot of memory space. So if you're editing on your phone, you will actually have to end up deleting the app over time and reinstalling it, because that's the only way for you to clear the space that it has. That was my main issue with it, and that was why I stopped using the app. Without talking too much, like I did introduce myself initially, my name is Chickstima, and if this video is helping you out in any way, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You welcome to the family and you grow with me. So the next app on my list is the KineMaster. The KineMaster, this is another app that I use for lots of time. I use this app for almost 6 months, and it's a very good app. It has a lot of transitions, it's very easy for you to add music, add voiceovers, do voiceovers, whichever one is called, cut and join your videos. There are just a lot of transitions and a lot of easy ways to use this KineMaster app. It's really a very good app for beginners, and it actually doesn't make your work look like a beginner, because it's very versatile. It has a lot of things, and it has so many tutorials on what you can add. It has all these laughter sounds, background sounds you need for if you're a funny person, if you're trying to be serious. And then I think it even has what they call this thing, GIF for you. So the app is really good for beginners. The only issue with this app is just that you have to pay for it. I cannot remember how much I paid a month, but I think it's about $4 every month, or you can pay for like 3 months at once, but then you have to pay for this app. So if you're really low on cash, or you don't have so much at the moment, it might not be the best app for you, because it's going to leave its watermark on your videos when you try to download them back into your phone. But apart from that, it's a very good app. You should try it out if you're looking for an app to use. The next app I'll be talking about is InShot app. Personally, I love this InShot app just for Instagram videos. I don't know much about it for YouTube videos. Never used it to edit a YouTube video before, but it's really good for Instagram videos because it has a lot of already made Instagram templates in it. Transitions are really easy. It's easy for you to now cut and join. It's very good if you're trying to make Instagram reels or TikTok, but the InShot app is actually a very easy app. A lot of people that I know use InShot app. And before I forget, The KineMaster app worked both on iPhone and on Android phones. Also, the InShot app was both on iPhones and on Android phones. So you don't need to only have an iPhone to have these other two apps. It's only iMovie that I'm sure works only on iPhone. Now, the fourth app I'll be talking about is the Capcut app. The Capcut app is my all-time favorite. I basically use it till now to edit my videos, and the app is very easy to use, easy to learn what's up with it. You're trying to add text, you're trying to add transitions. There are a lot of cool features, cool effects in it. It even has what they call it again, I don't know, but then it's just very easy app. You can add music to it. It has its own music, you know, vlog music, ambition, or what they call it. I don't know what they call those things, but the app is really just good. You know, I use Capcut app to edit both on my phone and on my laptop. So Capcut Apps is one of the best apps out there for you to edit with, and the good thing is that you can literally remove the watermark without having to pay a dime. So you can actually edit with your Capcut app without having to pay a dime. You can import things into it, you know, split screen. There are just thousands of things you can do with Capcut app, and that is why it's my all-time favorite. I do most of my editing with it. And the only downside I know for Capcut app, just like the iMovie, is that it takes up a lot of memory space. For iPhone users, I don't really know much about. For Android users, I would try to find that out, but for iPhone user, it takes up a lot of memory space. At the end of the day, when I edit like 2-3 videos, you know, when I go to my settings, I will realize that it's taking like 10 gig, 7 gig, 8 gig, and I have to delete the app and reinstall the app, because even if you just remove the things in it, the space is still taken on your phone, just remains there. So it's similar with iMovie in that part, but I really don't have any issue doing that. I just edit my videos, delete the app without even checking anymore, and reinstall it. It doesn't take much data for you to reinstall it. So if you're a new beginner in the whole editing industry, in the whole content creating industry, you should try using Capcut app for a start, especially if you're using TikTok, because I think you can directly import your videos from Capcut to TikTok, and trending songs on TikTok are already on Capcut. So what are you waiting for? The next app I'll be talking about is the Filmora app. The Filmora app is another good app. I used it just for about 2 months. My main issue with it was that the amount you have to pay was a bit expensive, but then it's a very good app, especially if you're trying to get aesthetic content, if you're trying to get vlogs. You know, it helps you. You can actually do color grading properly on Filmora. You can try out color grading on Capcut and on KineMaster. I don't know, for iMovie, never try it on iMovie, but on Filmora you can really try color grading on Filmora, and you know, it looks professional to the large extent, but then you have to pay for it, and it is not cheap. I think it was about $9 per month. I'm not too sure, but it was quite more expensive than KineMaster. So after about 2 months, I stopped using the app. But then it's a great app for beginners. If you don't have any issue paying that amount of money to have the app, is a great app, and it's easy to use. It has a lot of, you know, tutorial videos, templates where you just have to put things and then you get your video out there. Especially if it's not for something like YouTube, it's maybe a couple of pictures together for Instagram reels, for TikTok. Yeah, so Filmora app is another app that you should try out there, that is really great for editing videos. And the last app I'll be talking about is the Power Director. The Power Director, I use it on my laptop for about a month. It's a good app, but I really can't remember why I stopped using it. I think it kept crashing my laptop or system. So I don't know if it was from my system, because the laptop I was using then was having a lot of issues. But then it's a good app. I don't remember if you have to pay anything for it, but then it's also a very good app for you to edit your video as a beginner. It has easy transitions, it has easy things to, you know, move, add, split screen, a lot of things that you will try to do with the app, and it's just, you know, very easy for you to use. So if you're looking for any app, if you're trying to start up content creating and you're looking for one of the best apps for you to use as a beginner, you should try out any of these 6 apps I mentioned below, and trust me, you would fall in love with one of them. All you need to do is constantly practice with the app. I just make random videos and I did them on the app so I can see what it feels like, what it looks like. I do a lot of other editing that I don't do on my main videos to just see if they would rhyme with my main videos. So if you're a new YouTuber, content creator, TikTok content creator, Instagram content creator, wherever you catch content, just know that any of these apps are the best apps for you to start, and you don't even have to break the bank to start and to use any of these apps if you don't have much money. Most of them are free. In short, Capcut and iMovie are free, so you can just use any of them. And I will end by saying that you can use your iMovie, your Capcut, and InShot and Power Direct, or even KineMaster on laptop. So if you don't want to edit using your phone, you can edit using your laptop with these same apps that I just mentioned. You just have to download them on your laptop or your MacBook. iMovie doesn't work on normal laptops, so I think it just has to work on your MacBooks or Apple products basically. So the rest of them you can download them on your laptop, and you can also edit using your laptop without having much issues. So I think that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button once again, and to get to know me better, watch my blogs, and I'll be doing a get to know me video very soon. So be a subscriber so you can get to know me and be a part of my lovely growing family. See you guys next time. Bye.